Hi, my name's Lara McIntyre. I'm wondering how many of you have these new things that you're doing as a result of COVID-19. One of the things I'm doing, well, a couple of things I'm doing is one is kayaking and little tiny kayak trips in and around where I live in Ladner, British Columbia. And two, I've decided to start filming them and putting them up there for why, I don't know, just so that I can say that I've done it, I suppose. Ladner is on the mouth of the Fraser River in British Columbia. Ladner's a bedroom community for Vancouver, British Columbia, about 35 kilometers away. And it's a historic fishing village, farming village. It's often been in movies and TV shows, especially Supernatural. It was used a lot for Supernatural. And there's always snow on the streets in July as they're filming some usually Hallmark Christmas movies. So Ladner's a great little village. I'd like to show you around. And this is my first video, and I'm counting on not too many people seeing it because it's pretty bad. but I have to introduce you to my friend the Swan. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. So I tried two new things today. One that worked, one that didn't. I've always pulled the kayak on this trailer, but usually by hand. I walk it, but with an injured foot I decided to use my Wike trailer. Of course, it's made for a sport bike, so the adapter that actually usually sits underneath here doesn't quite fit on this bike. But I thought, take a page out of my dad's book, zip ties or duct tape. Usually they work, and this is really, really solidly on here. Luckily the kayak is not very heavy, so it garners quite a bit of attention. Some guy asked me to stop so he could take a picture of it. And we've got this lovely little decoration on here simply because when the kayak is off, we don't want people to actually walk into the adapter. Another thing that didn't work was the around my neck holder for my phone. Not made for on top of life jackets. I'll show you some of the video later. It's just always looking up at the sky. Do you want some more peas? We're getting a little close. Every time I get too close, he tries to get on my boat, on my kayak. Over there. Yeah, go over there. Now going under the bridge today. You can sort of see the high water mark there. Usually there's a lot more water. And you can go into the estuary on the other side. I'll take you there in a bit.